I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your ESIM to a new Android device can seem daunting, but it is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your new Android device supports ESIM functionality. Most recent models do, but it is good to double check. Step 2. Back up your current ESIM. Before transferring, back up your current ESIM settings. Go to your current device's settings and find the ESIM management section. Step 3. Obtain QR code from Bell. Contact Bell customer service will log into your account to request a new QR code for your ESIM. This code is essential for activation on your new device. Step 4. Activate ESIM on new device. On your new Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet Mobile Network Ad Carrier. Scan the QR code you received from Bell to activate your ESIM. Step 5. Test your connection. Once activated, test your mobile connection by browsing the internet or making a call. If you encounter issues, restart your device. Remember, if you run into trouble during the QR code scanning, make sure your camera is clean and focused. Happy transferring!